Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the number of day in 2 days in Excel. The formula is network days and another one is days. You know what is the difference between network days and day? Okay, let's get into it. First, I want to talk about the formula days. The days formula is the formula to calculate the date, the number of day between 2 days that they count all day, include Saturday and Sunday. Right now, you can write days and select this. And you need to provide an end date first. And the second is start date. This end date and this one is start date. And you will see the result. It's count 30 days. It means that it's count all day from the 1st January to 31st January. It's of 30 days. So include Saturday and Sunday. And now let's take a look a little bit about network day. Network day is the formula to calculate the day between 2 days, but it's count only working day. It means that it excludes Saturday and Sunday. And now let's see. For your network day, network days, you can see in the bracket. First day, you need to provide an end date first, and network day, you need to provide the start date first. Okay, this is the start date, and this is an end date, and you will see the different result. You can see right now it's 23 days. It means that it excludes Saturday and Sunday. So this is the difference between network days and days. If you want to count the number of working day only, you can use the formula network days. But if you want to count all day, include Saturday and Sunday, you can use the formula days. Okay, thank you for watching. See you the next one.